Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat along ECMI Kangi. Jersong Song Pen Arong Maskiron Kurwang Tupa Jermi Miasai Kideng. Kardom Karbi Prime Time along Penny Leader Sinja Indicatherpi non Birtang Tompen Arjuitha. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat along Aru Inquiry Troxiani ECMI Padosi Asona Sonalam Chiparaipon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Chipahem Pupen Aru Inquiry Troxiani Secretariat along EC Mate Executive Committee Nisis Asona Sonalam Chiparaipon. ECMI long EM Horin Singh Be EM Atung Lapen Principal Secretary Ang Hoi Kilanga Secretary C Intaruan Parta Akaprek Secretary Tum Chitongdon. COVID-19 awarmon ki thurapor hut diffuser song pen arong ingho nukan kachide papi mate mas rondam si kurwang thupa jermi miasai paklang thu jir song diffurong supialong 1985 haningkan keseng isi atera laso terang pen toklang hamphang chokam kaching thuramu ke klem ponan parta ki sungapor hutta karja pasong jir song pen non covid awur ki thurapor hut jir song long ingho nukan kachide papi mate mas kiron asaya ru kep ani pen pang chengsi covid arona klamalong arjabdunlo laso terang pen mas kirona theke phere mimi covid awur pen radaphan afran lapen akhiada traikom japhan Maharashtra lapen Gujarat along COVID awur ki thurabar mon phereme Karbi Anglong along laso tumon langno bangluti sung oji kisung ki phopia prang COVID awur kilong leji aphan difurong supi pen chenglok manja kheroni hidipi dilai koilamati jirikindeng he huarong along rong asoraphan mas kiron hamphang pen kido chipahlu nangji lapen ri lang sabon pen charsam nangji pualam rong asoraphan thansi COVID pen pacheri toilo
I'm from Bikku, Sankuranglong. So in our Song, we are started mass teaching is from 10 of May 2021. So we have machine here only 4. These days is due to that COVID-19 lockdown, so we can't do any duty, we can't go outside. So these days we are staff, we are teaching mass.
How many masks in it is?
Yeah, per day, for myself, I can stitch only 13 or 35 masks in a day. So we have here 4 machines. So one day it will come 120 masks. That only. So after stitching, we'll go to the village, urban area or rural area, so that we can distribute for them, especially for the poor and needy people.
Free of cost.
Jirsong is an organization which is established 1985, and from then onwards we have been involved in various activities, and in the recent past we have involved in very concretely in the field of health, education and economic development, and also any calamities comes to us in the district level, we cooperate with the government to elevate. Presently we are involved in mask making, which and we distribute to rural areas where the price of mask is very high, 50 rupees to 60 rupees. So therefore we are making an effort to provide masks in the villages, and we motivate them to use it so that the sickness can be reduced in the villages. That is the purpose of our mission. This is only one of the activity. There are other areas we are intervened in the recent past, that making aware of the problems, how to prevent the illness. This is one of our main concern. Therefore, our staff is being sent to different places of Karbi Anglong to make aware the need to prevent the illness.
COVID-19 aphan kapare marono long golf pen kachirab lapen kapin kharateng jersong song pen asona sona sai long chirab dun bom ru pusi jersong song chalin sar popen pachini Volongkom maji kongjugathoi monsing lekthia rongsor songja lekthipen kabonda lunjir MLA Bida Singing lengari dengpen kangpu pona berta kat news asai hemalong bertangle Owe kimiatum lamarjan kabonda kachi hunga perthelong Volongkom maji kongjugathoi monsing lekthia rongathari songja lekthipen ta hemprek polonjir bonda ponsi aruni phaing koira troxiani MLA Bida Singing lengari dengpen ingpu ponlo lapen lasolong BJP EK Disya Chunbang Madhuram lekthi lapen advocate Dhunison lekthi tumtami chitong dunsi songja lekthi phan aning pathidun Chokhela police station ke parlo nili block sai hamadung aruni phaing ko rapho ajo Chokhela lem salong kanghu kilot berta phrang ki pitor teron pen betang pale Nili block sa sai hemadung Chokhela lem salong kanghu kilot lem sa sai hemasir kutinta kangho tum lullo sitami nonamat kopi pitong ki pondoni chini nelang pusi chini don bonta lem sa chungang rolen in tipen kapachini pona tengki lem sa sai hemasir kutinta kangho tum ingpulak sita kopi pia sontong ki pondoni aphai dongpa mimelang pusi phirang kyang no ningje Laso puthak Chokhela police station aphanta berta kapale damateng pen lem salong humri damsi police atumpen ki claim ponang JSI an chi claim ponlo kangho tum tangka he hui ki ponlong lelang lapen sangabang ko antong ki ponlong no ni chini ni langathi non si sangke rada phan pi bom lang puta lem sa chun bang pen pachini pon lapen kangho tum aphan non amat pangthek ponthek thilang sitami kanghu vera tum phan keton ki langasai ki tumpen kinet eje phan ning khilu puta ningje
ya jo kana pole Pantai tu, mana jom hotu, longpan mah habdan, kuli lap lo, dah ke jomhu pipi ni ke pon, lah bagai nama permana le office proses jomhu he, lapen sang ke pon dah sabti ni, jadi tu sang jor boma pon, pasal sang mana jor era pisah hisab longi, ansi kanghu he bagi pon pe bagi, ansi hisab long cini pun, cini. Ada ni lah macam bahawa abang dah we, pernah suspek betul ni. Masih ke bang ni ke dia bang ni cini.
Kipon long lelang.
Long lah, teng long lah. Oh, pisa bos tang pun pe. Mereka serang abang ni tunjuk bawa hisap cini.
Tangka pe ni ta awe ni. Mutela hap pe ni.
Abang pun
hang nuk lo. Long on long hap hang nuk ah.
Long truck
deh.
Long drop ang hap ta sabi heket.
Jika soal sana tu berta silong lah bang.
Ada pola sana nam tu bang, oh dia nak kuliah mah tu, oh ni fana pacini tu. Asi tu dah ada pernah ni bang, ngap kuliah mah, oh ni kilong le asi, asi puna lo pendak office bang itu, enggak sinang lo, talak hen asi.
Normalom so porphan berta mong ton ponsana Pokcukor jinjin dan nangna. Igar koi, bong manai, bang serak thani pokcukor ong.
Ko pipo no bong.
Pipo lote. Igar koi ni pokcukor luti men duwai nang nam bidam thani chichakun elo.
Ajo porto lo ke bong. Pharmacy jingkir la pubunan ke.
Dam lang no hi kilong bang puji mini.
Pokcukor do wai nang pidun tha. Lada katok 24/7 open pu. Zero lo anteng puluman.
Nanglitum ajat apor lapen ajat arni lewang sitame nilitum alon medical store ke 24/7 ingpu ponlo.
Lahan lo alon medical store, Ijeng si Karbi ang bongpen kang pucheng pharmacy. Labang so pharmacy rake 24/7 ingpu lapen ajat adawai le nang jisita ladak long ponikji. Lapen kilong le adawai nang li order pikang lote prapjin pen long ponikji. Lasi Difu Medical College and Hospital opposite Alon Medical Store along nang litum tami humrig non. Anso se kachini jiapan aber kipia number along humrig tami. Dihina mopi putar berta lawang tulo. Manjalong kiton kilang rai komatum ihum simen kiro ya trakalong pen puming koi kesalang pong nebdun long pusi kad news long bertang pali. Karbi anglong ang bong krongput National Highway atuwar non ke aron ria hormu kiron kewan atuwar mantanglo. Manjarai komitum aru inkoya troksiani ihum simen kiroya trakalong pen pum inkoya kijoy gesalang pong nebdun long. Rai komitum pen pachnia tengke laso pum inkoy gesalang pong kijoy kong tilong kri hinia trak katiwar bangku harghat thana kiparlo samuduria rong reso jiba jati arta thongke braisi aphan nepsi manja thana long lamhoi pisi lamar johor bomlo. Karbi prime time kila 5 kang ton paglo domi thagmi kurang thu.